Solve 2x plus y plus 3 into dx equal to 2y plus x plus 1 into dy. Right? First we converted into dy by dx form. Solution. Dy by dx equal to 2x plus y plus 3 by 2y plus x plus 1. Compare with dy by dx equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 1, c equal to 3. A dash equal to 2, b dash equal to 1, a dash equal to 1, x coefficient that is 1, b dash equal to 2, c dash equal to 1. Right? Here b is not equal to minus a dash and a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash clearly. Here b equal to 1, that is not equal to, here b equal to 1, a dash equal to 1. Suppose opposite sign is there, definitely this is case 1. Suppose a by a dash, that is 2 by 1. Here b by b dash equal to 1 by 2. 2 by 1 is not equal to 1 by 2. That's why this is not a case 1 and case 2 problem. Clearly this is a non-homogeneous differential equation, case 3. Right? This is non-homogeneous differential equation, case 3. Right? For solving the non-homogeneous differential equation, case 3, we take hint small x equal to, put small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. Okay. Derivative with respect to x, that is dx equal to d into capital X. Derivative with respect to y, that equal to d capital Y, that is dy by dx equal to d capital Y by d capital X. Right? Substitute small x and small y. We take, this is equation number 1. Right? In equation 1, then we get d capital Y by d capital Y by d capital X equal to 2 into small x equal to capital X plus h, that equal to capital X plus h plus capital Y plus k plus 3 by, here also same, that is 2 into capital Y plus k plus capital X plus h plus 1, that is equal to 2 capital X plus capital Y plus 2h plus k plus 3 by, here x plus 2y plus h plus k plus 1. Okay. For solving this equation, now choose, for the solving h and k, two h plus k plus 3 equal to 0 and h plus k plus 1 equal to 0. Right? Now we solving these two equations by using YCX method, that is h k 1, here 1 3 2 1, here 1 1 1 1, that is h by 1 minus 3, that is equal to k by, right, here h plus 2k, h plus 2k, then we get 2 here, 2 1 1 2, that is 1 into 1, 1 minus 6, that is k by 3 minus 2, that equal to 1 by 2 2s are 4 minus 1, that is h by minus 5 equal to k by 1 equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, comparing these two, then h by minus 5 equal to 1 by 3, then we get h equal to minus 5 by 3. Next, k by 1 equal to 1 by 3, which implies k equal to 1 by 3. Here h equal to minus 5 by 3 and k equal to 1 by 3, right? Now, this is equation number 2. Now, d capital Y by d capital X equal to 2x plus y by x plus 2y. Right? Clearly, this is a homogeneous differential equation. How to say that? In numerator degree is 1, in denominator also degree is 1. Right? This is homogeneous differential equation. For solving the homogeneous differential equation, we take hint, put capital Y equal to Vx. Capital Y equal to Vx. Then derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we get dy by dx equal to v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. Right? This is equation number 3. Right? From this is equation number 4. From 3 and 4. Right? From 3 and 4. dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx equal to 2 capital X plus, we know that y equal to vx, that is v capital X by x plus 2 into vx, that is v plus x into dv by dx equal to, right, in numerator take x is common, in denominator also x is common, then we get x into 2 plus v by, that is 1 plus 2v. Here x cancel, then x into dv by dx equal to, right, take v right side, that is 2 plus v by 1 plus 2v minus v. Then take LCM, that is 2 plus v minus 2v square by 1 plus 2v. That is x into dv by dx. Here plus v minus v cancel. Then we get x into dv by dx equal to, take 2 common, that is 1 minus v square by 1 plus 2v. Right? Then separating v terms and x terms. Then we get 1 plus 2v by 1 minus v square into dv equal to 2 by x into dx. Right? This is clearly a variable separable method. First we solving this one, 1 plus 2v by a square minus b square, that is 1 plus v into 1 minus v equal to 2 by x into dx. How to solve this one? By using partial fractions, right? That is 1 plus 2v by 1 plus v into 1 minus v equal to, here only v terms are there, that is a by 1 plus v plus b by 1 minus v. Then take the LCM, we get 1 plus 2v equal to a into 1 minus v plus b into 1 plus v. Now take v equal to 1, put v equal to 1. Then we get 1 plus 2, that equal to 3 equal to 1 minus 1 0, a into 0 plus b into 2. Therefore b equal to 3 by 2. b equal to 3 by 2. Now take v equal to minus 1. Then we get 1 minus 2, that equal to minus 1 equal to a into minus half minus 1 plus 1, a into 2 plus b into minus 1 plus 1 0, that equal to b into 0. Therefore a equal to minus 1 by 2. a equal to minus 1 by 2. Now substitute here, then we get a equal to minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus v. Here b equal to 3 by 2, that is plus 3 by 2 into 1 minus v into dv equal to 2 by x into dx. This is clearly a variable separable method, right? This is solving by using variable separable method, right? That is integrating on both sides. Then integral minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus v plus 3 by 2 into 1 minus v dv equal to integral 2 by x into dx. Right, that is 1 by v, that equal to log v, that is minus 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus v. Here plus 3 by 2 into log of 1 minus v. Here v coefficient is minus 1, that is minus 1 equal to 2 into log x. Log x, we take arbitrary constant is minus log c. Right, that is minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus v plus into minus minus 3 by 2 into log of 1 minus v equal to 2 log x, that is log x square, right? 2 log x minus log c. Okay, minus log c take left side, then here minus terms take right side, then we get log c equal to, that is 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus v plus 3 by 2 into log of 1 minus v plus 2 log x. Take 2 is the LCM, then we get 2 into log c equal to log of 1 plus v plus 3 into log of 1 minus v plus 4 into log x. Now 2 log c equal to, that is log c square equal to, that is log of 1 plus v, log of 1 plus v, 3 log 1 minus v, that equal to log 1 minus v whole cube, 4 log x, that equal to log x power 4, right? That is log c square equal to log a plus log b plus log c, that equal to log abc. Log 1 plus v into 1 minus v whole cube into x power 4. Removing log on both sides, then we get 1 plus v into 1 minus v whole cube into x power 4 equal to c square. We know that v equal to, y equal to v into capital X, then v equal to y by x. That is, we take the LCM 1 plus capital Y by x, 1 minus capital Y by x whole cube into x power 4 equal to c square. Now take the LCM x plus y by x, here x minus y whole cube by x cube into x power 4 equal to c square. Here x power 4 cancelled. Then x plus y into x minus y whole cube equal to c square. We know that small x equal to capital X plus h, then capital X equal to x minus h, here y minus k into, here also same x minus h minus y plus k whole cube equal to c square. That is x plus y, we know that h equal to minus 5 by 3, right? H equal to minus 5 by 3, k equal to 1 by 3. That is minus of minus plus 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Here also same x minus y into plus 5 by 3, here plus 1 by 3, whole cube equal to c square. Therefore x plus y 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that equal to 4 by 3 into x minus y 5 plus 1 6 by 3, that equal to 2 whole cube equal to c square. That is the required solution, right? is the required solution of the given non-homogeneous differential equation, right? First we take hint small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. Then solving h and k values after converting into homogeneous differential equation. Then we take hint put y equal to v into capital X. Then separating v terms and x terms. Then integrating. Then substitute small x and small y and h and k values. Then we get the solution of the non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, next one. Solve the differential equation dy by dx equal to 6x plus 5y minus 7 by 2x plus 18y minus 14. Right? See. Okay. Given problem is dy by dx equal to 6x plus 5y minus 7 by 2x plus 18y minus 14, right? We are not separating x terms and y terms. That's why this is not a variable separable method. This is not a homogeneous problem also. How to say that? Here there is no variable 7 and 14. Here constants are there. That's why this is not a homogeneous differential equation. Now compare with dy by dx equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. Okay, here a equal to 6, b equal to 5, c equal to minus 7. Here a dash equal to 2, b dash equal to 18, c dash equal to minus 14. Clearly here b is not equal to, here b is not equal to minus a dash. Here b equal to 5, a dash equal to 2. Okay. A by a dash equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Here 5 by 18. And a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. A by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. That's why this is non-homogeneous differential equation case 3. Right? For the non-homogeneous differential equation case 3, we take hints small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. Derivative with respect to x, then we get dx equal to d into capital X, d into dy equal to d capital Y. Okay, that is dy by dx equal to d small y by dx. Now this is equation 1. Substitute small x small y in equation 1. Therefore from 1, small x equal to capital X plus h, dy by dx equal to d capital Y by d capital X equal to 6 into capital X plus h plus 5 into capital Y plus k minus 7 by 2 into capital X plus h plus 18 into capital Y plus k minus 14. Okay, that is equal to 6 capital X plus 5 capital Y plus 6h plus 5k minus 7 by, here also same, 2 capital X plus 18 capital Y plus 2h plus 18k minus 14. Okay, now choose h and k, right, such that now choose h and k. Six h plus 5k minus 7 equal to 0 and 2h plus 18k minus 14 equal to 0. Now solving these two equations by using YCX method, hk1. Here h equal to 5 minus 7, 6, 5. Here 18 minus 14, 2 and 18. Therefore h by 5 14s are 70, minus 70, minus into minus plus, 18 sevens are 126, equal to k by, right, 7 2s are 14, minus 14, minus into minus plus, 14 6 are 84, equal to 1 by 18 6 are 108, minus 10. Now h by 126 minus 70, that is 56. h by 56 equal to k by 84 minus 14, that equal to 70, equal to 108 minus 10, that equal to 1 by 98. Okay, then h equal to 56 by 98, that is equal to 14 4s are 14 7s are, that equal to 4 by 7. Here k equal to 70 by 98. 14 5s are 70, 14 7s are 98. That is 4 by 7 and 5 by 7. Now equation 2 becomes, these two equations are 0, equal to 0. Then we get d into capital Y by d capital X equal to 6 capital X plus 5 capital Y by 2 capital X plus 18 capital Y. Clearly, this is a homogeneous differential equation. In numerator degree is 1, in denominator also degree is 1. Therefore, this is homogeneous differential equation. Right? For solving the homogeneous differential equation, we take hint, put y equal to capital V into capital X. Now derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we get dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Right, substitute here. This is equation number 3. This is equation number 4. Now from 3 and 4, right, dy by dx equal to v plus capital X into dv by dx equal to 6 into capital X plus 5 into vx by 2x plus 18 into vx. That is v plus x into dv by dx equal to, take x is common, that is 6 plus 5v by, here also take x common, that is 2 plus 18v. Here x cancelled, then we get x into dv by dx equal to 6 plus 5v by 2 plus 18v. We take v right side, that is minus v. That is x into dv by dx equal to, take LCM 2 plus 18, that is 6 plus 5v minus 2v minus 18v square by 2 plus 18v. That is x into dv by dx equal to 6 plus 5 minus 3, that equal to plus 3v minus 18v square by 2 plus 18v. Now separating v terms and x terms, that is 2 plus 18v by 6 plus 3v minus 18v square dv equal to 1 by x into dx. Now solving this one, that is 6 plus 3v minus 18v square. Now we take factorization, take minus 3 common, then we get 6v square minus v minus 2. That is minus 3 into 6 2s are 12, that is 6v square minus 4v plus 3v minus 2. That is minus 3 into, take 2v common, that is 2v into 3v minus 2, take plus 1 common, that is 3v minus 2. that is minus 3 into 2v plus 1 into 3v minus 2, right? That equal to 2 plus 18v by minus 3 into 2v plus 1 into 3v minus 2 dv equal to 1 by x into dx. Now take minus 3 right side, then we get 2 plus 18v by 2v plus 1 into 3v minus 2 equal to minus 3 by capital X into dx. Right? How to solve this one? By using partial fractions. Now take the partial fractions, that is 2 plus 18v by 2v plus 1 into 3v minus 2, that equal to a by 2v plus 1 plus b by 3v minus 2. Now take the LCM, that is 2 plus 18v equal to a into 3v minus 2 plus b into 2v plus 1. Right, for solving a and b, we take put b equal to minus 1 by 2, b equal to minus 1 by 2. Then implies that is 2 plus 18 into minus 1 by 2, sorry, here v equal to minus 1 by 2. Then a equal to a into minus 1 by 2, that equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 2 plus b into 0. Right, minus 1 plus 1 0. 2 1s are 2 9s are cancelled, that is 2 minus 9, that equal to minus 7 equal to, take the LCM, 2 2s are 4, minus 4 minus 3, that equal to minus 7, that equal to minus 7 by 2. Here minus 7 cancel, a equal to 2. Now take v equal to, here 2 by 3, v equal to 2 by 3. Now 2 plus 18 into 2 by 3 equal to a into 0 plus b into 2 into 2 by 3 plus 1. That is 3 1s are 3 6 are cancelled, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2, that equal to 14 equal to b into, here take LCM, 2 2s are 4 plus 3, 7 by 3, 7 1s are 7, 2s are cancelled. Then b equal to 6, b equal to 6, a equal to 2, b equal to 6. Then we get a equal to 2, that equal to 2 by 2v plus 1, b equal to 6, that equal to plus 6 by 3v minus 2 into dv equal to minus 3 by x into dx. Now integrating on both sides, clearly this is solving by variable separable method. Now integrating on both sides, then integral 2 by 2v plus 1 plus 6 by 3v minus 2 into dv equal to minus 3 into integral 1 by x into dx. That is 2 into, we know that 1 by v equal to log of 2v plus 1, here v coefficient is 2 by 2, plus 6 into log of 3v minus 2, here v coefficient is 3, that equal to 3. That is minus 3 into log into capital X plus log c. 2 to cancel here, 3 1s are 3 2s are cancelled. That equal to log of 2v plus 1 plus log of 3v minus 2 whole square. Take v left side, that equal to plus log x cube equal to log c. Now log a plus log b log c equal to log of 2v plus 1 into 3v minus 2 whole square into x cube equal to log c. Now removing log on both sides, then we get 2v plus 1 into 3v minus 2 whole square into x cube equal to c. We know that y equal to vx, that is 2y by x plus 1 into 3y by x minus 2 whole square into x cube equal to c. Now take the LCM. 2y plus x by x, that is 3y minus 2x by x square whole square into x cube equal to c. Here x cube cancel. Then we get 2y plus x into 3y minus 2x whole square equal to c. We know that y equal to 2 into y minus k plus x minus h. Here also 3 into y minus k minus 2 into x minus h whole square equal to c. That is 2y minus 2k plus x minus h. Here 3y minus 3k minus 2x plus 2h whole square equal to c. We know that x value and h value. X equal to 4 by 7 and h equal to 4 by 7, k equal to 5 by 7. That is x plus 2y into minus 4 by 7 minus 2 5s are 10 by 7. Here 3y minus 2x into, here 2 7s are 2 4s are 8 by 7, 3 5s are 15 by 7 whole square equal to c. That is x plus 2y in minus 10 plus 4 14 by 7, that equal to 2 into 3y minus 2x minus 15 plus 7 plus 8, that equal to minus 7 by 7, that equal to minus 1 whole square equal to c. That is the required solution of the given non-homogeneous differential equation. Right, first we take, this is case 1, case 2, case 3. Check that one. Next we take case 3, then small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. Now that is converted into homogeneous differential equation. Put y equal to vx, then separating the v terms and x terms, then substitute small x and small y and h and k values. Like that we are solving the non-homogeneous differential equation case 3. Right, this is the lengthy problems in non-homogeneous. That's why take carefully for the solutions.